What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my next YouTube video. Of course, it's about Neo. We're going to be breaking it down as usual. We're going to be talking it from a technical standpoint, what I want to see, and how we're going to predict what's going to happen tomorrow and for the rest of next week. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all the support y'all been giving me. It's truly, truly appreciated. Thank you for being here. Let's get right into the video. So what did Neo do today? Well, it was down about a dollar, 1%, 1.62%, as you can see right here. Not a whole lot of action. I mean, yeah, we got that morning pop, so we pumped all the way up to what, $63 almost. So it looked like we were going to be green today. It looked like this morning we were going to be green. And if you hop down to the 15-minute time frame, let's take a look. So yeah, so we opened up. Where do we open up today? Today is the 11th. So we opened up right here. We had a green open for the first 15 minutes. We were pushing up. The next 15 minutes, we were going for it. We hit $63 as I mentioned before, and it looked like we were really going to be green for today, and we were going to head up to this resistance level. However, we dropped down, and then we were kind of just basing out. We really weren't doing too much. We were hanging around the 61.57 area. As you can see, we bounced here a couple of times, and then it was this candle right here that got us. We had this just instant drop. We went from around $62 all the way down to almost, yeah, a little under a little under $60. So it was quite a ride if you were watching this. It happened really fast. All happened in this 15-minute time frame. And then once we had that drop, then we basically did nothing for the rest of the day. Yeah, we got a couple little pushes up here and there, but collectively did a whole lot of nothing. This is just consolidation at its best. So we were looking good at the first part of the day. Then we had that drop out of nowhere, and then we just basically based out for the whole day. So I mentioned in my video yesterday, I said, I want Neo to pull back a little more. And guess what, guys? That's starting to happen. So I said, maybe tomorrow, which is today, that we may get a pullback down to $59. Now, we didn't quite hit that move, but we may have a little more to go. Now, if we do push down tomorrow, I definitely want to hold above $59. But this may be the dip buy. This might have been the dip buy. This may have been enough sell-off for us to continue our leg up. Now, I mentioned something yesterday. I said, look at this bull flag that we had here. Look at this bull flag we had here. This is the flagpole. This is the flag. And now what are we doing right now? We're starting to push up. Now, of course, it's not going to be picture perfect. We're not going to have a straight beeline up. It's going to happen like this right here, where we have a push up, we have a pullback, we have a push up, pullback. It's going to be like that, guys. So that's why I'm saying that this pullback right here, this one right here we got, maybe that's our pullback, and then we just continue up. Who knows? But like I said, if I'm bullish on Neo tomorrow, then I definitely want it holding $59. We may get that Friday sell-off. We may get that Friday sell-off, and we may pull back to $59, but we need to close above that for me to be convinced that we'll be bullish tomorrow. Now, the trouble is going to get if we close underneath this $59 mark. Even though we'll still be in this green area right here, I'll still question that move because I don't want it really getting back in here. I wanted to test it from the upside. Then it would set us up for Monday, not Monday, because Monday is actually a holiday, guys. Let me bring that up real quick. Monday's a holiday, so Tuesday is when market will be back open. So it brings us to the question, if we pull back, tomorrow just a little bit, maybe we reverse part of the day. Maybe the whole day is just not a slow pullback. Maybe we reverse and then we start heading up on Friday. Then on Tuesday, we start, maybe potentially hitting all-time highs again. So the main thing that you need to remember from this video is holding above $59. If we fail to hold below $59, above $59, then we could potentially see some more downside. So $59 is that magical number that we need to stay above. Now, once we get above $59 and stay above it like we are doing now, our next resistance line is not until $64.80. The reason I've drawn that out is because it's at all-time highs and it's caused us trouble before. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, and then what happened earlier when we tried to hit it? We got rejection. So we know that this $64.80 mark is a level of interest. There are sellers here right now, but guess what can happen? We can break through just like we did over here. This was the same pattern. We got rejected here, 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 but what happened this time? When we see this green candle like this, when it happens over here, we know we're about to break out. So be on the lookout for that. If we get that green candle, next time we push up to this, then we could potentially be breaking out, and we could play that breakout just like we did earlier this week where we saw that breakout coming. But we have to make sure that when we push up, we do not get this instant rejection that we've been getting, or the pattern, of course, is not in play anymore and you cannot take it. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. Staying above $59, closing above $59, setting us up next week for us to potentially hit an all-time highs and hopefully finally break through this consolidation period. This was just a consolidation period. We finally broke above that downtrend right there, and then now we're on top of it. So we need to stay on top of it and hopefully continue our push up Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and let's hope for a good week. Either way, if you did enjoy this video, I'd like to remind you, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you for being here. If you need any help, let me know in the comments below or join my free Discord, link in the description below, and you can @ me or DM me there. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.